Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of, what is this, June 15th? Yeah. And this is a kit by Creating & Co. So if you'd like to see how I pre-planned for this week, I do have that video already up, of course, and I will have it linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch it after this. So if you'd like to see, you know, how I pre-planned it before. But if you're just here for the memory planning, then I will just go in day by day and fill in these blank spots with things that I did during the day, you know, or whatever. And it's just like, you know, kind of like a scrapbooky memory keeping kind of a thing. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So starting off on Monday, I didn't have too much space to fill in, so I just put in that I did catch up on my budgeting, because I kind of tend to like forget to do that over the weekend, and then I've got all the weekend's purchases I need to budget and update my checkbook and stuff. So I'm going to use a little credit card heart icon from Simply Gilded, and then a budget time script from Piper Paper Company, I think that was. Let me double check. Yes, that was Piper Paper Company. And then I also did some laundry, so I just decided to use this cute little like clothesline of clothes hanging from the kit. And then I also wanted to add some bows. I don't know if I'm adding, what am I doing right now? Hold on. Okay, sorry. I was like, what's going on? Why didn't I edit this part out? Whatever. Yes, I'm going to add some bows. I have these little dainty bows from the Giving Girl, and I just wanted to add them over the dress and in the girl's hair from the PR team announcement, so because I thought it'd be cute. And then for my gratitude for Monday, I wrote that I was grateful for Cold Stone, because we haven't been there in a really long time, and we went and got some ice cream. It's just so good. I love how you can just get everything mixed in fresh, and it's so good if you haven't been there. Anyways, moving on to Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and take this. It's like a binder. Wait, no. It's like a clipboard. That's what it is. From the Giving Girl. And because I just didn't know what else to put. I think I probably maybe should have used like, I don't know, a half box or something, but I don't know. I wanted to use the cute little, you know, binder clip. What is it called? I just said it, clipboard. Anyways, I'm going to use the clipboard from the Giving Girl, and then I'm using a like cell phone from Cozy Paper Co. just to mark that I needed to change my son's dentist. And like make an appointment for him and stuff. So I had to cancel his appointment, and then I had to find a new dentist. So I was just doing a lot of phone calls with his insurance company to figure out like who would accept him, you know, so I could get his cleaning. So then I'm also going to take a like quarter box from the kit, and then one of these beautiful heart doilies from the Giving Girl, just to mark that I did buy my son's nightstand. We got him a shelfie on Amazon, and I should have used like an Amazon package or something. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but too late now. Because I have a few Amazon stickers, I just never use them. Anyways, I bought him a shelfie because he's got a loft bed now, and so he needs like a nightstand that isn't on the floor, you know, because he wouldn't be able to reach it. So this thing is really cool. We saw somebody review it in a YouTube video, and they like, you clamp it, it like hangs on the side of the bed, and then you clamp it down tight, and it like can hold his water and lip balm and stuff. So we got him that. And for my gratitude, I was grateful for taking a walk on Tuesday, because I just really miss walking every day. And whenever I get the chance to go and take a walk, then I'm really happy, because I don't get to every day. It's so freaking hot. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a little like trash XO character from the kit, and a Giving Girl little tiny page flag, just to mark that my in-laws came by so they could do a dump run. Just take some of our larger trash in their truck to the dump. Then I'm taking a like scalloped quarter box from the kit, to mark that my son, I made him a new dentist appointment once I found his dentist. And so I'm taking one of these little like teeth stickers from the Sticker Genie, who her shop's been closed for a while now, so I don't know if she's going to reopen, so I can't link her, sorry, but I did use to PR for her, so I have some old stickers. And I'm going to go ahead and layer that with like a cute little dainty side bow from Simply Watercolor Co., because I felt like the tooth needed a bow. I don't know. It looked cute. I also used this little pretty simple bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. in between as well, just to add a little spruce it up. I don't know what I'm saying. Whatever. I added a bow, a bow divider. And then for my gratitude on Wednesday, I was grateful for diversity. I don't remember like if something happened or what I read online, or I don't know, but that's what I was grateful for on Wednesday. By the way, that make dentist appointment handwriting looks like trash, because I hate writing by the coil. It always looks like trash, but whatever. On Thursday, I took a half box and I put it vertical because basically this is going to take up our entire day. My in-laws came over and helped us build my son's bed from the IKEA bed we ordered him. And it took them a whole 8 hours, you guys. Like, they were there, they got there around, was it 10 or 11? It was like 10 or 11, and then they, like, stayed until like 6 or 7. It was wild. They were committed to get it done in one day. It was actually not just his bed, but it was also like a Trofast as well for his, like, toy storage. So, but yeah, they were at our house for 8 hours helping with that bed. So I was super appreciative. And there wasn't anything else we did all day besides build his bed. So I would just have that vertically so it could take up more space. I'm also going to use a pillow from my newest addiction, because, 8 hours is a long time. And then another little side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. I put for my gratitude that I was grateful for the help with the bed, because, like, hello, obviously. It's just really appreciated, that they would spend so much time. Anyways, for moving on to Friday, there wasn't really any room for anything, so I just took a TV box from the kit and another side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. And I wrote in The Strain, because my husband and I have been kind of watching this new, I don't know if it's Netflix or Hulu, but we've been watching this new To Us show called The Strain. It's like a viral pandemic kind of a show, but it's also involves like vampires or something. It's some kind of supernatural thing. It's pretty cool. Moving on to Saturday, there wasn't much I could add in. I just check marked off my little checklist and then filled in that we watched Sonic over at my in-laws' house, because we went over to their house for dinner and a movie. And it was the new Sonic, like 2020 or 2019? The new one, And I don't recommend it. I mean, everybody else seemed to like it, but I was just like, ugh, like, it just felt cringy to me. It felt like it was really rushed. They had a joke about, like, dressing in drag, and I was like, really? In 2020? Really? Like, come on. Anyways, I wasn't a fan. Then on Sunday, what did I do? Oh, so Sunday was Father's Day. We were gonna go to Applebee's, and I actually did letter in Applebee's, like, trying to look all pretty. And we didn't even freaking go to Applebee's. It was a tragedy. We were gonna go, but then, like, with the rise of the rates of COVID, we were like, it's just safer to, let's just stay home and we'll just order Applebee's and eat it at home. But I don't know if they were just too busy or what, but, like, I tried to place the order on the app, and it said, like, we can't accept mobile orders at this time. And I was like, what the heck? So then I tried to call, somebody picked up and then hung up on me immediately, and I was like, okay. And then I called again, and it just, like, rang and rang and rang. I was like, oh my God, are they really that busy? So anyways, we just ended up going over to my in-laws' house and then watching another movie. We watched Artemis Fowl on Disney Plus, and that was pretty good. Really rushed too, but at least they weren't making jokes about drag. Anyways, that was a better movie. And that was it. That's how we spent our Father's Day. So I wrote on Sunday, my gratitude was I was grateful for my husband and my father-in-law. They are both amazing fathers. Well, my husband, is a stepdad, but he helps me raise my son just as much as, an actual father. So he is amazing at his job as a father-in-law or stepfather. Anyways, that is it for this memory plan with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, because it really helps out my channel and I really appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, but you don't want to miss more videos from me since I upload these videos regularly. I try to get 3 videos up a week for you guys, so stay tuned for those. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi. I will have all of these shops I mentioned linked down below, so you can purchase from there for your convenience. If you want to use my code or my link to save some money, then that's great. Anyways, though, I hope that y'all take care, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.